In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game WWE 2K24 on your PC. So what you need to do is go to your Google browser. There we will quickly search up the game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. So quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time on it, and search up the game. And once you have found it, scroll a little bit down. And there you will see that this game at Steam is quite expensive, €59.99. But don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now search for the same game, WWE 2K24, and select it. After that, select games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first. And here we are looking for a PC version which can be activated in our country. So here we have PC versions and this text needs to be marked green. As you can see, we have different options over here. Once you have found one which can be activated in your country, you can select the game. Now, if we go to the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for €50.90 compared to the Steam price of €59.99. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now if you purchase this game on this website, you will receive a Steam key to activate this game within Steam and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!